Alright, okay. Welcome to the daily update, my 1000 days challenge. This is day 439. So let's get things started. Alright, so first and foremost, you'll notice the balance remain the same, but I actually have another loss in terms of my experimental trade setup for I think Bitcoin today, and another half for my price action trade, which I also close in terms of loss. Because yeah, but setting half the loss itself. So otherwise, if we look in terms of US market, we are still seemingly in the retracement kind of a technical retracement wise, nothing to be too concerned about, because previously it would be quite high above the 20 and even the 50 simple moving average on the daily chart itself. So this kind of retracement is actually to me a very healthy sign for both S&P 500 and also the Nasdaq itself. And secondly, we look in terms of ASHR, same thing. I mean, on the flip side, so ASHR tend to be a little bit stronger, or the China market seem to be reverting back towards the normal, the bullish side of things. So you can see that even though ASHR closed below that, you can see that the pre-market will actually look to be spiking towards the upside. So things looks to be good. Let's see how far we can maintain above that. And if we can maintain above this 200-day exponential moving average, that'll be a really good sign for ASHR or China market in general. So even for KWEB itself, even with this kind of bearish momentum, that there is further going to be anti-monopolistic kind of agency going to be further established in China, things still looks to be strong. So to me, this is a sign that there is actually a lack of sellers in this current market itself. So the people who really want to sell off has already sold off, and the news is unable to so-called scare people to sell off any further in that sense. So when there becomes a lack of seller, the price actually has a natural tendency to go towards the upside, not because fundamentally has changed, but rather to say it's because of the fact that the supply has actually run out. In that sense, there's actually more demand in the market than supply. So yeah. Otherwise, if you look in terms of Bitcoin itself, yeah, we could technically have a retracement, because I did mention yesterday, if you look in terms of daily chart, this could be the first wave, this could be the third wave itself. So we could have a very nice retracement, assuming since we retrace almost 88% itself. So if you look in terms of Fibonacci retracement, move back to the candlestick chart, taking approximately to here, since over here we retrace approximately, I would say, yeah, 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So I expect this to be a weak retracement. So a weak retracement could somewhere seen along, say, the 0.236 or even the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. So potentially we will retrace to the 51.2K region itself. It will be a very healthy sign. Hopefully with a super ABC corrective wave, and in other words, thereafter we could continue towards the upside, or even we could have an extended consolidation phase, which would ideally be what I want to see. Reason is because it gives me time to accumulate, and it will be a much nicer trade being set up as it is. So otherwise, that's more or less about it. And yeah, so if I do see any trade potentially on the 4-hour chart, I'll keep you guys updated. So for now, I'll be very keen or be more cautious to look out for potential trade setup. So let me just remove away that. Remove away this. Yeah, actually remove away that. So yeah, so let's just take a look. So I will just draw over here. So potentially there could be some buying pressure over there. So yeah, so this between the 50 to even the 52K region would be a good buying region itself, or even technically over here, which is a key strong support at the 49K mark itself.